Hi friends, this video shows how to add or remove streaming services from Google TV profile. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles. Select one Google TV profile. Let me select this profile Atna. Here you can see profile settings. Select your services. Here you can see list of streaming services. I am going to add some streaming services to this profile. Let me add Amazon Prime Video, Jio Hotstar, Netflix. This way we can add streaming services to Google TV profile. Next I will show you how we can remove. See, we can remove streaming services from Google TV profile like this. So this way we can add or remove streaming services from Google TV profile. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.